Alright guys, how you guys doing today? So we're back with another video. I got this foam gloopity glop. It's basically just a slime. I already opened up one of them, got it all ready to go, so I'm going to dump this in this bowl right here. Now this has a greenish tint because this did have some of these green foam beads on top of it that I already took out because, well, I'm not using those. I did not open the blue or the red one because I'm going to be using those for another video, so I'm just going to set those aside. Now this is the slime. It is really like, I don't like slime at all, so. It's going through the bottom of my hand, just. Now, what's between you guys and me is I stole some of my wife's makeup to add into this. This is what I stole from her. She doesn't know it yet. So we'll add, I guess we'll go ahead and try this one and see exactly what happens, but we'll just. Yeah, it looks like I got pretty much all of it out. And I might just add the green beads in after I get this all mixed up, because the green beads has some slime still in it. That is getting way darker than I thought it was going to. Are you kidding me? The makeup's all over my hands. It's making it all glittery. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not a bad looking color though. Some chunks of makeup right there that I'm just trying to break up. Now, if anyone could tell me what kind of makeup I just stole from my wife and used, that would be great, so I can tell her that I used it. Now, I really like that color. I didn't think I was actually gonna like it. Alright, let's add the green beads and see what happens. Now the nice thing about these beads is they float back to the top. So when I bought this container, I had it flipped upside down like this in the car for a few hours, and all the beads went to the top, and then I flipped it back over and all the beads went back up to the top. So it's not like I can't separate it if I don't want to, but the slime will still be in between all the beads. So I'm going to transfer this from this glass bowl into this just so I have more room to like stretch it out. Now I did buy clear slime because my wife and I are in the process of trying to figure out how to make slime. Once we figure out how to make slime, we will do a DIY video on how to make it. But so far we haven't had any success. It keeps sticking to my hands too much. Like, this slime doesn't stick to my hands as bad as the slime that we keep making. I don't think I like the way that looks anymore. I think I messed up by adding these green beads in here. I also have some instant snow that I could add in here too. Could get that and see what happens. So I'm gonna go grab that instant snow. All right, so I'm back with the instant snow that I got from one of my previous videos. I'm just gonna add a little bit in there and see what happens.
Okay, this was a thing called cloud snow, or cloud slime. I think that's what it's called. We tried this before, and it made it so sticky that we could not literally get it off our hands. Doesn't seem like it's really, well, maybe it is, yeah.
It's getting a little thicker. Just a little bit more. And I'm probably gonna mess this entire thing of slime up.
I just might make it thicker to where it's not sticking to my hands as bad, and I might actually enjoy playing with it. I can't tell if it's getting thicker or slimier, but it is definitely doing something because it is not the same as it was. Yeah,
it's getting stickier. This is what I mean. It's so sticky. And I just don't like sticky slime. So it definitely got stickier. But yeah, there's that. I will put a link to this gloopity glop in the description, so just click that and you can get it on that link. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Comment down below what you think I should do next. And subscribe for more videos because I will be uploading more slime videos eventually, even though I hate it because, you know, I got this big ol' thing of slime and I'm not gonna waste it. Not a big fan of wasting money at all. But I do got this entire thing of slime that I will not waste. I refuse to waste it. So I will be using it for something or another eventually. Just don't know when, don't know on what. Just subscribe and you'll find out whenever I decide to use it.